Install the EFL Forbes Robo app on your phone. Enter your email ID on the register page and tap on the security code. A security code will be sent to your email ID. Enter that code in the app. Then set your password, check on privacy policy and tap on register. Tap on the Add Device button. You will see two devices. Select your model. Follow the instructions given on the screen. Press the Wi-Fi button on the Robo for 3 seconds and the Robo will start searching for your home Wi-Fi. Tap here when you complete the steps. On the Configure Network page, enter your Wi-Fi login and password. And connect the Robo device to the Wi-Fi. Then select your Robo device. Your Robo device will be connected and you can use it. On turning on the power button, Robo will scan the house and create a map of the entire house. Once the map is created, take the Robo to the AutoDock station so that you can save the map that has been created. With the help of the map setting feature, you can name each room according to your need. Here, you can check the battery of the Robo. Through Clean settings, you can set clean mode and mop control according to your requirement. Tap on the Choose area and select the room you want to clean. Tap on Customize and set the cleaning area as per your requirement. By tapping Map Settings and No-Go area, you can prevent the Robo from going to any unwanted places. And you can also choose where you don't want the Robo to do wet mopping. By tapping on Recharge, the Robo will go for charging by itself. Tap here for the Options menu. In Clean Reservation, you can choose the day and the time of cleaning as per your requirement. And you can also set the mop speed and the suction speed. You can also schedule it to clean any room as per your specific requirement. The Robo can also be operated via the remote control. In non-disturb time, you can mute the notifications of the Robo. With volume control, you can adjust the volume of the Robo's notifications. By tapping the carpet color, you can set the color of your floor or carpet, making it easier for the Robo to clean. You can also increase the suction pressure to clean the carpet precisely. In Accessory Repair and Cleaning, you can check the status of side brush, roller brush and HEPA filter. By tapping on the Navigate Robo, you'll know where the Robo is right now. You can share your Robo with up to 5 users at a time. Go to the home page, tap on Profile. Tap on Shared Robo and select your Robo. And then tap on Shared Robo. Confirm the registered ID of the shared user and a notification will come on their phone. On accepting, the Robo will be shared. And from here, other users can also use the Robo. Now enjoy automated cleaning with Eureka Forbes Robotic Vacuums app.